Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a cordless vacuum cleaner from a company called Kalado. We have a picture of the vacuum cleaner obviously when it's fully assembled on the top of the box right here. As you can see, the box is quite small. That's because it comes in parts and you'll have to assemble it, so it's not fully built. On the side right here we have some specs. If I can turn the box around. So brushless motor, 2200 milliamp times 7 battery, 3 suction adjuster, that means it's got 3 speeds basically, 1 click to empty. On the other side we have some specs. So the model KCV01 cordless vacuum cleaner, motor speed it's 80,000 rpm plus minus 10%. These are the dimensions. Motor power it's 250 watts and the weight is 2 kilograms. Suction from 12 to 26 kPa according to the speed that you're setting it at. So yeah, basically that's it with the box. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, we have quite a few accessories and everything this vacuum cleaner needs. So we will go through them one by one. As you can see, we have installation instruction and a user manual right here. I suggest you give this a read. It only takes a couple of minutes. It will help you understand how to set up the vacuum cleaner and how to use it at its max potential without damaging it. So definitely worth giving it a read. We have the charger right here. UK plug charger, which will plug into the battery. This is the battery, by the way, and that bit will plug over here. We have the main brush unit with some bristles. This can be taken apart as well and cleaned. As you can see, we have this arrow right here. On the front we have some LEDs, especially good if you're using it at nighttime or in a dark place. Now we have the bristles head. We have the head for the edges and the corners. We have a brush for cleaning. We have the stand which will screw into the wall. So here it will clip something like this. You will clip it in. They included all the screws and everything you need. We have a spare HEPA filter for the vacuum. We have the extended tube, and we have the main unit itself, which is this one. As you can see, it's already got a filter inside, and this is where you plug in the battery. It's got this trigger style start-stop system, which is pretty nice. It's not really that heavy, but that's because we didn't attach anything to it yet, not even the battery. And yeah, pretty much that's it. That's all you get. Let's go ahead now and set everything up. I'm gonna show you guys how everything looks like. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so this is how the vacuum cleaner looks when it's all set up. As you can see, it can stand freely on its own. It has this locking mechanism. So once it's locked like that, you hear a click, it will stand. I think it's super convenient. To turn it on, it's really simple as well. All you have to do is click that trigger. And to change speeds, you will have to press on the top of the battery right here. So let's see if we can make it work while I'm filming. Okay, so as you can see, it's got 3 speeds. It starts obviously from medium. You can go to high or to low, and it's super convenient. It's super lightweight as well. You can lift it with one hand. It's extendable as well, so if you press this button right here, you can extend the tube, the main tube, and obviously it will be more comfortable to vacuum with. I don't have a lot of dust and dirt in my room or whatever, because my room is always clean, but managed to find some specks of dust. Not sure if the camera will actually focus on it. Right there. Let's see if it can vacuum it on a gaming mat. Yep, nothing is there. Super easy to use. Again, super lightweight, nice design. I really like the fact that it stands by its own, so you don't actually have to use the stand to screw it into the wall. You can just have it standing in any room you want. Super convenient. To empty the container, all you have to do is just press here. If you press here, this bottom hinge will open, and basically all this opening right here will go down, and that's it. You'll just pop it in a bin, pop it back in, you're ready to go. Battery life, from what I can see, it comes already half charge, so you shouldn't be too worried about that if you need to clean straight away as soon as you open it, but I would suggest you leave it to charge fully before using it. And pretty much that's it with the vacuum cleaner. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description below. They have other products on Amazon as well. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.